Let's set up our environment so we can start coding right away. React runs on Node.js, so make sure it's installed. If not, please head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version with long-term support or LTS. Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime that allows you to run JavaScript on your machine, enabling fast and scalable network applications. Next, we need to install a coding editor, and our coding editor of choice is Visual Studio Code, a fast, free, lightweight, and feature-packed coding editor from Microsoft, which comes with a huge extension ecosystem. You can download and install it from code.visualstudio.com. We have videos on our channel on how to set it up properly, so you can refer to these if required, though the setup itself is pretty simple. As you will see, this will make editing code a charm, and we would be doing a lot of coding today, so right coding environment is a must. With Node.js, you also get npm. npm is the node package manager that lets you install and manage libraries and tools for your Node.js projects, while npx is the command line tool that runs Node.js packages without needing to install them globally. Both of these get installed with Node.js. With these installations, your machine is ready and we can shift our focus back on React.